pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you'll want to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss an upload. If you are into unboxings, then definitely hit that subscribe button. Okay, so I've got Boxycharm Base Box. It is the PR box. So this was gifted to me by Boxy. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox her today. And if you are ready, just keep on watching. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about Boxycharm because this is not a subscription for everyone. If you want a beauty subscription where you're getting a combination of skincare and makeup mixed with a little tools and other things, then this might be the box for you. Boxycharm Base Box is $27.99 a month. Then you've got your shipping and your tax. So it comes out to about $32, something like that. You do get 5 full-size items. And there is a quiz to take and fill out. It's a one-time quiz, and you may need to update that if you are getting too much skincare or too much makeup or whatever, if you're not happy with your boxes. Okay, so let's see if this is a well-curated box and what variation I've got. It looks like I've got variation 44. It does come with a card, and on the card is the prices, and it tells you about the products. So we're just gonna go ahead and dig in. I have already opened everything because I like to do shorts too, for those of you who just wanna see quick what's in the box instead of watching a video. But we are gonna try some things on today. The first thing that I liked and saw was this set of LaRousse brushes. I do like the brushes. This here is a very soft case. It's actually really cute. And inside you've got face brushes and eye brushes. Let me see. The value of this is $50. So here we have this is one of your powder brushes. It shouldn't say on here what it's for. It says Duo Fiber, the LR316, and the bristles, as it comes down, they get a little bit lighter. So this here would be good for blush, highlight, setting the under eye, even if you were going to tap on some powder. So you could definitely use that for those reasons. Then we've got an angled brush here, which would be good for bronzer or blush. And it says the LR304 and it says angle. So yeah, and she's soft. Then we've got 3 eye brushes. One looks like a concealer brush, and then it looks like we have a blending and a shader. Okay, so here is your concealer brush. She's soft, but she's got kind of firm. Yeah, it says the LR100 concealer. So this would be good for blending underneath or cleaning up like a wing. Even if you were going to pack on color to the eye, you could definitely use that as well. This one here is your short shader. This would be good for the beginning if you just want to sweep on a color. It's not meant for blending, but you could use it to blend on the lid, if you know what I mean. Here you have a blending brush. She's okay. What does this say? Tapered blending. I'm really picky on my blending brushes, but this one actually looks like it could do circular motions. It's not real flimsy. The brushes that I don't like are much longer and they flop around, kind of like this one, except when this one's not as bad. Okay, so yeah, I like these brushes. Okay, this is cool, and I like the fact that it has a case. Locks into place. That's really neat. All right, let's move on. We have Beauty for Certain Deluxe Lipstick. It has an $18 value. Okay, now I did try this. It's a super pretty color. It actually made my lips kind of dry though, and it accentuated the dryness. So I was like, oh. I mean, we could try her again. I do have some sparklies on though, so. Might just have to moisturize a lot with this. And it did seem to like bleed, and I've never had lipstick bleed before. So I have to say, not too impressed with this lipstick. The color is pretty, and it does kind of look like, I don't know if you can pick up the dryness on camera, but see, it feels moist, but it does have dry tendencies. That's really the only way that I can describe it to you. So we're going to put that aside, and we're going to move on to a liquid eyeshadow by Galactic Metallic Eye Sparkle Shadow, $20 value. I'm not big on using these. Ooh, this is super pretty. Okay, let's just kind of blend her out and see. Okay, yeah, so she comes out super pigmented, but then when you blend her, she's just a sparkle, and she dries down. So this would be good for like an eyeshadow topper, I would think, as opposed to just putting it on by itself. I wouldn't. Okay, so moving on, we got some brow gel. This is by the Queen Studio, $16 value, Bow Down Brow Glue. Okay, so this is easy to use, non-sticky, flake resistant, super long lasting, transparent formula, stays in place for 16 plus hours, and has a natural finish that will work with any brow color. All right, so let's pull her out. She's not saturating me with product. Which is good. And she's clear. It also doesn't feel like I can still very much move the hair. Let's see how it is when it dries down. Alright, so we'll give it a few minutes. Okay. Now the last thing, and the thing I was most excited for, is the OPV Glow Perfect Face Palette. It had a $34 value. As soon as I opened it, most of the product for the middle was gone. And I'll put a picture, a close-up in here, but these colors are too dark for me. Let me see what it says. You've got a bronzer, a highlight, and a blush, and this is just not going to work for me. I might try to repress this and give this to someone, but as you can see, these colors are way too dark for me. And this is also, it says it's a new launch. It also says that lipstick is a new launch. It says, oh, it even says that the brow glue is a new launch. All right, so let's recap and talk a little bit about this. Okay, so we have the face palette. We have the liquid eyeshadow, which I would use as a topper. We have the brow gel. We have the lipstick that's a little bit dry. And then we've got the brushes. Is this a bad box? No, it's not. But again, you fill out your quiz, and it should be detailed to what you fill out in the quiz. You do get to customize one item in your box. As a PR box, I don't get to do that. So this is one that they've sent me, which they've done a pretty good job with. Overall, I'm super happy with this. I'm sad that the product, this here was packaged so well, so something must have happened while they were making these. And from what I understand, other creators have had the same problem with this, so it's probably a manufacturing issue, but overall this wasn't a bad box. The value, I can put the total value of it on the screen for you, and then if you've got any questions, put that down in the comments. But if you want a little bit of everything and you like updating your quiz every now and then as the seasons change and as your mind changes on what you want, then this might be the subscription for you. And if that's the case, I'll put a link down below. You can go ahead and check out Boxycharm through there. And like I said, put any questions you have in the comments. I'll do my very best to answer them. You'll find more information on their website, so I'll link that too. And thank you for taking the time to watch this unboxing. If you enjoy unboxings, then definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications, because I've got some doozies coming that you just might want to see. Okay guys, thanks so much. Bye.